Imagine a world where the roar of the saber-toothed tiger echoes through the forests once again. Picture massive woolly mammoths traversing the icy plains, their colossal tusks cutting through the snow. What if I told you this isn't just a scene from a science fiction movie? What if this could be our reality? From the iconic dodo bird to the majestic woolly mammoth, the prospect of bringing these animals back from the brink has sparked both excitement and controversy. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the cutting-edge science behind de-extinction and uncover the potential it holds for our planet. De-extinction, once a concept relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now inching closer to reality. This groundbreaking field combines genetics, cloning, and cutting-edge technology to resurrect species that have vanished from the face of the Earth. Imagine scientists piecing together the genetic blueprint of an extinct animal like a complex jigsaw puzzle. Using preserved DNA fragments extracted from fossils, they can identify the genes responsible for an animal's unique traits. With this knowledge, scientists can potentially recreate these lost creatures using advanced techniques like genetic engineering. One such technique, known as CRISPR, acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely edit and manipulate DNA sequences. Imagine trying to rebuild a dinosaur from a pile of scattered bones. That's the challenge scientists face when attempting to bring back extinct species. Fortunately, we have a powerful tool at our disposal: DNA. This molecule, found in the nucleus of every cell, holds the genetic blueprint for life. However, extracting intact DNA from long-dead creatures is no easy feat. Over time, DNA degrades and breaks down into smaller fragments, making it difficult to reconstruct the complete genetic code. Scientists must meticulously piece together these fragments, relying on advanced sequencing technologies and computational algorithms. Deciphering this code and identifying the genes responsible for specific traits is crucial for de-extinction efforts. Once scientists have a relatively complete genome sequence, they can begin to think about how to use this information to bring back an extinct species. Enter CRISPR, the revolutionary gene editing technology that's been making waves in the scientific community. CRISPR acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely cut and paste DNA sequences with unprecedented accuracy. Scientists can program Cas9 to target specific DNA sequences within a cell by providing it with a guiding RNA molecule. This guide RNA acts like a GPS, leading Cas9 to the precise location in the genome that needs to be edited. Once Cas9 makes the cut, the cell's natural repair mechanisms kick in, attempting to fix the break. This level of precision and control over the genome has revolutionized genetic engineering, opening up a world of possibilities for de-extinction. Cloning, another groundbreaking technique, also plays a role in de-extinction efforts. Cloning involves creating a genetically identical copy of an organism using its somatic cells. The most famous example of cloning is Dolly the sheep, who was cloned in 1996 from a mammary gland cell taken from an adult sheep. The process involved removing the nucleus from an egg cell and replacing it with the nucleus from the donor's somatic cell. While cloning has been successful in a few other species, it faces significant challenges when applied to extinct animals. De-extinction, while scientifically fascinating, throws us headfirst into a thorny ethical debate. Should we, as humans, be playing God, tinkering with the very fabric of life and death? Some argue that bringing back extinct species is meddling with the natural order, potentially unleashing unforeseen consequences on our planet. On the other hand, proponents of de-extinction argue that humans have a moral obligation to right the wrongs of the past. The debate ultimately boils down to our values and how we view our place in the natural world. The ethics of de-extinction delve even deeper when we consider the specific circumstances surrounding each species' demise. Should we prioritize bringing back species that humans drove to extinction, such as the dodo bird or the passenger pigeon? Some argue that prioritizing human-caused extinctions is a matter of justice, a way to atone for our past mistakes. However, others argue that focusing solely on human-caused extinctions ignores the broader ecological context. Ultimately, the decision of which species to prioritize for de-extinction is a complex one with no easy answers. Even if we can overcome the ethical and technical challenges of de-extinction, a crucial question remains. Can these resurrected species truly thrive in a world dramatically different from the one they left behind? The planet has changed significantly since many of these creatures roamed the Earth, with altered climates, fragmented habitats, and new threats such as pollution and invasive species. Imagine releasing a woolly mammoth into the Siberian tundra only to find that its preferred food sources have vanished. Furthermore, reintroducing extinct species could have unintended consequences for existing ecosystems. Before we unleash these ghosts of the past, careful ecological assessments and risk analyses are crucial to ensure that we are not inadvertently creating new problems while trying to solve old ones. Reintroducing an extinct species into an ecosystem is akin to dropping a new piece into a complex, interconnected puzzle. The ripple effects of such an action can be unpredictable and far-reaching, potentially triggering a cascade of ecological consequences that are difficult to anticipate or control. For instance, imagine reintroducing the woolly mammoth to the Arctic tundra. While some scientists believe mammoths could help restore degraded grasslands and mitigate climate change, others warn of unintended consequences. Mammoths could compete with existing herbivores for food, alter plant communities, or even introduce new diseases into the ecosystem. Moreover, the presence of a large herbivore like a mammoth could have cascading effects throughout the food web. Predators might shift their hunting patterns, prey species might experience population declines, and even plant communities could be affected by changes in grazing patterns and nutrient cycling. Therefore, a cautious and well-informed approach is crucial to minimize the risks and maximize the potential benefits of de-extinction. The emergence of de-extinction technology has sparked a debate within the conservation community. Will it help or hinder efforts to protect endangered species? Some argue that de-extinction could divert crucial funding and resources away from traditional conservation efforts. They fear that the allure of bringing back extinct icons like the woolly mammoth or the dodo bird could overshadow the plight of currently endangered species struggling for survival. On the other hand, proponents of de-extinction argue that it could complement and enhance existing conservation efforts. By developing technologies to manipulate genomes and revive extinct species, we gain valuable knowledge and tools that could be applied to conserve endangered species facing similar threats. As we stand on the cusp of this brave new world of de-extinction, we face a profound responsibility. The choices we make today will shape the future of nature and determine the legacy we leave for generations to come. We must proceed with caution, carefully weighing the potential benefits and risks of each de-extinction endeavor. Rigorous ethical frameworks, robust ecological assessments, and transparent public engagement are essential to ensure responsible innovation in this uncharted territory. The future of nature hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to navigate this new era of scientific advancement with wisdom, foresight, and a deep respect for the web of life that sustains us all. The decisions we make today will determine whether de-extinction becomes a force for ecological restoration or a cautionary tale of unintended consequences. The woolly mammoth, a behemoth of the Ice Age, has captured the imaginations of scientists and the public alike as a prime candidate for de-extinction. Scientists believe that bringing back the woolly mammoth could have far-reaching ecological benefits, particularly in restoring the degraded grasslands of the Arctic tundra. These grasslands, once maintained by the grazing of mammoths and other large herbivores, are crucial for carbon sequestration. Mammoths, with their massive size and powerful legs, acted as ecosystem engineers, trampling snow and exposing the ground to colder temperatures. This process, known as mammoth plowing, helped maintain the health and productivity of grasslands, preventing the encroachment of trees and shrubs that trap heat and contribute to permafrost thaw. By reintroducing mammoths, or at least animals with similar ecological functions, scientists hope to restore the ecological balance of these crucial ecosystems and enhance their ability to sequester carbon, potentially slowing down the rate of climate change. The dodo bird, bringing back an icon of extinction. The dodo bird, a flightless bird from Mauritius, is synonymous with extinction.
Its comical appearance has made it a cultural icon, symbolizing human-caused environmental destruction. But could this emblem of extinction rise again?
The dodo's demise is a stark reminder of human impact on island ecosystems.
Introduced species and habitat destruction sealed its fate.
Bringing back the dodo would be a remarkable scientific achievement and a symbol of conservation. The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, was a unique marsupial predator native to Tasmania, Australia.
With its distinctive striped coat and dog-like appearance, it resembled a wolf, but was related to kangaroos and koalas.
Hunted to extinction in the early 20th century, it faced habitat loss, disease, and persecution by farmers.
The last known individual died in captivity in 1936, leaving a void in Tasmania's ecosystem.
Reviving the Tasmanian tiger could restore balance to Tasmania's ecosystems. The passenger pigeon: can we right the wrongs of the past? The passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, is a poignant example of how even the most numerous species can be driven to extinction.
These birds, known for their vast flocks that darkened the skies, were a vital part of eastern North American forests, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration.
Tragically, the passenger pigeon's demise was swift and brutal, driven by overhunting, habitat loss, and a loss of genetic diversity due to its massive population decline.
The last known passenger pigeon, named Martha, died in captivity in 1914, marking the extinction of a species that once numbered in the billions.
Bringing back the passenger pigeon would be a monumental undertaking, requiring not only advanced genetic engineering but also a concerted effort to restore its lost habitat and address the factors that led to its extinction.
However, the ecological benefits of such an endeavor could be significant.
Passenger pigeons, with their flocking behavior and voracious appetites, played a crucial role in shaping forest ecosystems.
Their reintroduction could help restore forest health, enhance biodiversity, and contribute to the long-term resilience of these vital ecosystems.
Fast forward 50 years. Picture a world where de-extinction isn't just a scientific pipe dream but a reality. Woolly mammoths might roam vast, carefully managed reserves. This future isn't guaranteed, but the possibility is tantalizing. De-extinction has the potential to reshape our world. What are the ethical implications of wielding such power over life and death? These aren't questions with easy answers, but they are questions we must ask ourselves. Would you want to live in a world where extinct species roam the earth once more? It's a question that sparks the imagination and ignites debate.
Some might embrace this future, eager to witness the return of creatures long gone. Seeing a woolly mammoth or hearing a saber-toothed tiger roar would be an unparalleled experience.
Others urge caution, focusing on protecting existing species and conserving biodiversity.
The decision rests in our hands. Do we embrace the past or shape the future?
So there you have it, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring and, let's be honest, slightly mad scientist world of de-extinction. We've journeyed through the science, grappled with the ethics, and come face to face with the creatures who might just get a second chance at life. But now it's your turn to be the judge and jury. What do you think about de-extinction? Would you welcome a world where woolly mammoths roam free? Or do you think some things are best left in the past? Hit us up in the comments below and let's get this conversation started. We're dying to hear your thoughts on this mind-blowing topic. Do you think we have a moral responsibility to bring back the species we drove to extinction? Or should we focus our efforts on protecting the incredible creatures that are still here with us today? It's a tough call, and there's no easy answer. Whether you're team bring back the dodo or team let sleeping dodos lie, one thing's for sure. De-extinction is a topic that forces us to confront some big questions about science, ethics, and our place in the natural world. And hey, while you're pondering the fate of furry mammoths and flightless birds, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content just like this. We're on a mission to explore the biggest what-ifs in science and technology, and trust us, things are about to get even wilder. Speaking of wild, buckle up for our next adventure, where we'll be blasting off to the Red Planet. That's right, we're diving deep into the possibilities and challenges of living on Mars. Could humans really call another planet home? Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking those big, mind-bending questions. See you in the stars.